Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I love pasta. So I was at the library picking up other cookbooks and I couldn't resist grabbing Gennaro's Pasta Perfecto, the essential collection of fresh and dried pasta dishes. I haven't looked through it yet. It's Gennaro Contaldo and it came out in 2019, so it's relatively new. Good. And I have to lick my finger and touch a library book. Sorry, library. I'm trying to be careful with your property. Okay, it is from Interlinked Books, who has such a small font I can barely read their publisher's notes, but a big font for the tables of contents. Pasta Perfecto, dried pasta, fresh pasta, filled pasta, baked pasta, and sauces. And I'm going to make pasta tonight for sure after looking through this cookbook when I'm super hungry. How to cook perfect pasta. I'm guessing he's going to say al dente. I'm guessing. Quick guide to popular shape and sauce combinations. Matching pasta shapes to sauces, that's important. Info on dried pasta, and I'm assuming sourcing it. Here's the first recipe we're going to take a look at. Insalata primaverile di fusilli, fave, piselli e pecorino. Okay, I'm going to read it in English from now on. Spring pasta salad with fresh fava beans, peas, and pecorino cheese. I love making cold pasta salads in spring and summer. Insalata de pasta alla puttanesca. Puttanesca pasta salad. No picture. Pasta salad with baby zucchini with shrimp. No picture. But here's a winter pasta salad. It looks good. What's in it? Radicchio. Yeah, that's where the color comes from. Pasta croquettes. Oh, that sounds super fun and delicious. I mean, it's fried. Leftover pasta frittata. That's awesome. I would totally make and eat that. Minestrone with pesto. I don't often make my own minestrone. This might tempt me to start it. Vegetable and pastina soup. I often make vegetable soup with pasta in it. Carbonara from the sea and mountains, but no picture. Oh, here we go. Cavatelli with shellfish and chickpeas. Now I can't show you the whole book, so I have to start skipping ahead. Bucatini with fresh sardines and wild fennel. I don't have access to wild fennel unless I go to Whole Foods, maybe. Mezzi pacheri with mussels and lemon. Spaghetti, cart driver spaghetti, wow. Ziti with slow-cooked tuna and onions. My boyfriend would love that. I don't know if I could handle the smell of it cooking. I'm a lifelong vegetarian. Well, I could try. Whole wheat tagliatelle with anchovies and walnuts. That looks amazing. That would be a great autumn dish, wouldn't it? Okay, rigatoni, bucatini, garganelli with ground veal. So we're still in the dried pasta section. Here's penne with trapanese style peppers. I think I just bought some trapanese peppers. I don't know. Sicilian style penne with cauliflower. Here's a maffaldine with ricotta. I hope I said that right. And now we're in the fresh pasta chapter. I'm trying not to show you the whole book, just give you an idea of it. Pappardelle with mixed mushroom ragu. Yum. I'm making mushroom pasta tonight. Radicchio filled pasta rolls with fontina sauce. A little bit more work there, I think. Ooh, fresh orecchiette with tomatoes and lemon burrata. That sounds amazing. How do you get the burrata to be lemony? I guess it'll tell me over here, because I can't buy it that way. Eggless pasta dumplings with beans. I have a friend who cannot eat eggs. See, I could make that for him. How about, this looks very simple. Tonarelli with pecorino romano and black pepper. Linguine with fresh tuna and a breadcrumb topping. They're using a lot of tuna in this cookbook, aren't they? Squid ink tagliarini with scallops. Something I will never make because I don't eat squids. Tagliatelle with lamb shank ragu. These photographs are nice. I wish they had one for every recipe because they don't. I'm just being greedy because, you know, I'm all about the photos. Filled pasta. Here comes the handmade time-consuming ravioli. Oh, here's marubini in a 3-meat broth. I've never heard of that term before. Here's casoncelli with mixed meats. Or celli. Sea bream ravioli, i.e. fish, with capers and a lemon zest in a cherry tomato sauce. I love cherry tomato sauce. How about, ooh, pretty. This is Ligurian Swiss chard passotti in a walnut sauce. They're big on walnuts, aren't they? Or at least this chef is. Mezzalune with butternut squash and taleggio. Oh, he looks so nice and happy when he's cooking. Carnival time lasagna. Ooh, what makes it carnival-esque? I don't know. Whoa, let's find out what this is. That looks amazing. Is that the same lasagna? No, that is a seafood lasagna. Gorgeous picture, but they photograph it twice. Save a picture for one of the recipes that doesn't have one. Vegetarian lasagna recipe. Thank you for that. Cannelloni filled with chard. And we're getting down to the end of the book. Rigatoni cake. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, we're down at the end. That was pasta perfecto. I totally want to make lots of the recipes out of this, especially those odd ones like the rigatoni cake. I would totally make that. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through and review. You can see more of them at cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast. We post cookbook news to Facebook and Instagram, and of course videos to YouTube, where you can usually hear my dogs barking in the background. Thanks, and bye.